What's up? Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna start something new. What is trending? You guys know that schools are yet to resume. If not, some of them have already resumed. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna do something school related and office or everyday wear makeup look or vibe, whichever way you want to term it. But as the title states, it's gonna be an everyday look, back to school, and office wear makeup. Somebody say yay! So guys, if you want to see how I achieved my everyday tutorial, back to school makeup and office wear makeup, please join the family. Hit the subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss my tutorial. Of course, you're gonna come back. So hit the subscribe button down below. Give this tutorial a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section down below whatever tutorial or makeup you'd like me to film next for you guys. I love you so much, guys. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Guys, my brows have been done off camera, so I just want to speed it up. I don't want it to be something too lengthy. I don't want the tutorial to be really lengthy. Actually, the concealer I used to clean my brows, beneath my eyebrows, I'll buff that right in to my lids to prime my eyelids to get like a base, for the eyeshadow to sit on. And if you have an eyeshadow primer, you can apply. If you don't, you can use your concealer or foundation, whichever works for you. Both all can do the job or can get the job done. I'm gonna allow it to sit for a bit. And so because it is an everyday makeup and you want to do something real quick, I like to set my eye base, and I'll be setting my eyes with the Airspun, Coty Airspun translucent powder. Put that on to my lids. For eyeshadow, we won't be really doing something too much of an eyeshadow because it's an everyday look and you want something simple yet glammy. So you just want to use like your neutral color to set it all up and just quickly move on ahead. So for the eyeshadow, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in 355. I think, yes, 355. So I'm gonna use this to set my crease, buffing that right into my crease. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe 35A palette. Don't mind this palette, it looks crazy as hell. I use this gorgeous pinkish shade right here. Or to add some more, I'll go back in using this shade. Want something simple, so I'm gonna go back in with my Zikel 16:1 palette. This is their blush palette, and I'm gonna use the highlight shade, this highlighter. I'm gonna be using this shade, the contour shade. As simple as it can be. So for liner, I'm gonna be using the Glamgals eyeliner. This is their ink liner and it is very matte. And for mascara, I'll be using the Zaron Lengthening mascara. So guys, you might want to leave your lashes like this. You don't want to fix it. But for those that barely have lashes like me, sometimes I go to the office without my lashes, but sometimes I feel like, why not wear some lashes? And without lashes, I don't have lashes. My lashes are super curly and very short, so I love wearing the lashes to give me a bit of some full defined look and still look glammy, if you understand what I mean. I don't know if what I said just makes sense, but I just want to give that subtle look and still look officey, easy, everyday, natural look. For lashes, I'll be using the Kenah cosmetic lashes in Ruby. This is a Nigerian brand. As you can see, it's a pretty wispy short lashes, so I love using these lashes sometimes, almost every day, but not almost every day. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes off camera and I'll be right. Okay guys, so you see the lashes actually made a lot of difference than the former or the latter. So yes, this is it for the lashes. I'm gonna be using the Zaron eyeliner in Skyline. This is a blue liner. I just want to line my waterline to give it some bit of definition, just to add some colors to it. You can see the difference between this and this. So for the face, I'll be priming my face with Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This is the Pore Eraser Primer, tends to be for my oily skin lovers or bodies. This is said to control the oil and clears out the pores. It does to some bits, but I'm gonna apply some of that concealer. Some of the primer is a silicone base. Gonna apply it on the areas I tend to get oily. To just pack that in to my skin. I'm gonna let that sit in for a minute. To foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless foundation in 350 caramel. So for those of you wondering if I wear my makeup like this every day, yes, I do. I think I have time for that. I wear my makeup almost every day this way, and sometimes I add some kind of like colors on my shadow. I make sure I don't skip my shadow. My face is always looking glammy to the office, and I feel comfortable doing that because I am oily skin. So I feel like doing that just help me control and know the amount of product I use, or the product that works on my face daily for my everyday makeup. So yeah, I do wear my makeup this way almost every day. Not almost every day, I think every day, because me saying almost every day looks like some days I'm not wearing makeup. Yes, every day I wear my makeup. I'm on glam, not full glam, to the office, and I'm okay with it. So for concealer, to set my under eye, I'm gonna be using these two products from LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade, they are in the shades Fawn and medium beige. Sometimes I do conceal my face, but most of the times I just wear my foundation and move on to powder. But for those of you that want like a glam, if you have like an deep under eye like me, you need a concealer on your under eye. So I'm just using my concealer brush to apply. So I'm gonna blend that right in with my damp beauty blender, just to press it in to make everything look seamless. just blending that right in to the other corners to make sure there isn't any form of any harsh lines on the face. So to set my face as I would normally do, I'll use my Coty Airspun loose face powder in translucent. I'm just gonna set the areas where I highlighted. This powder is one of my go-to setting powder, like it controls oil. So let me know if you guys want me to do a sweat proof makeup for my oily skin bodies like me. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that, and I'll be glad to do that. To set the other part of my face, I'll go back in with the same powder I used earlier, just to press that right in like so. Yes, I do this every day because I tend to wear my makeup for 8 hours, so this lasts long. It lasts longer than the usual just dabbing my powder. So this is how I would normally wear my makeup every day. For those of you wondering if I do all of this every day, yeah, I do it. I do it almost every day. I do it every day. I think I'm used to it, so I find it easier. I'm just gonna dab the powder, press the powder right in to my face. There's no product in this because I just want to go a little bit to be extra. I'll add some highlights. I'll be using my Zikel 16-in-1 highlighter, 16-in-1 blush palette. It has an highlighting shade, so I'll be using this highlighting. Blend it right in. You want something simple, so you don't want it to look too hashy. Going back in for my lower lashes, I'll be using the Zaron Lengthening Mascara on my lower lashes. I love doing this. I do this on a regular basis though as well, but I also like the finishing it gives. On for lips, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lipstick. This doesn't have any name. Yeah. I love this. I have a dry lips, so I like applying some gloss to over my lipstick. So for gloss, I'll be using the MaryKay lip gloss in Pink Diamond. This lip gloss has a shimmer to it. To finish up the look, I'm gonna set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. This is the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So it takes out it's good for oily skin though, and powdery feel. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I enjoyed it and I loved it. I loved how everything turned out to be. This actually wasn't what I was going for, but I actually love the turnaround, the turnout of this look. I love it. The finishing, I love it. It is super gorgeous, super easy. Might not need to apply or use some steps on here, like the lashes might not be really necessary for you, but if you can or have time for the lashes, you can wear the lashes. But you can still go over without, if you don't want the lipstick or the lip gloss, you can go over or try over something, whichever one that works or best or better for you is fine. But for me, I love this. This is how I wear my makeup every day. I wear this every day to the office, and this is pretty good. And for your back to school, for those going to school, this is actually comfortable for you to wear to school as well. So you can wear this to buff your face. You can go tag along with a buffing powder or a pressed powder, even to school and to your office. You can tap it buff this right in whenever you feel oily on your skin. This is really helpful and super affordable. You can get it anywhere. It's a compact powder, so you just want to take it along. You don't need any of the other products. Just go with your powder to dab your face. This is super easy for me. I feel like after doing this, I don't apply any product on my face. I don't dab, no matter how much of the humid environment or weather it is. I don't dab my face. I just leave it, the oil. I love the way it turns. I love the finishing glow my face gives for when it produces oil, so I don't dab my face. But like dabbing it, it rubs off or wear off some of my makeup, so I don't dab my face. But so this is what we achieved, and I think I love it. So if you love this tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below. Give this tutorial a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I can't stress this enough. Just subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything. It is actually free to subscribe. It is free to like, and it is free to comment. Comment how you feel about this makeup look, or comment whatever look or tutorial you want me to film next for you guys, and I'll attend to that in the comment section. Don't forget to share this look, share this tutorial, share it to your friends, your family, your loved ones, your enemies, even to your enemies. Please share it to everyone around you. Share this tutorial, share it and so much. That's it for this tutorial, guys. I love you so much. Bye.